Hello everybody, this is Mark Bruno with the Monterey Peninsula Home Team. I'm going to do a virtual tour of our listing at 15 Ocean Pines Lane in Pebble Beach. It's about a 1,243 square foot, 2 bedroom, 2 bath condo in a great development here. One of the cool things about this property, and I will switch this around to get me, but it's the setting is fantastic. And you can see there, we're in focus now. The view from the deck here is amazing. You've got whitewater views. It's kind of hard to tell from the camera that we have here, but I'm actually looking at waves breaking down at Point Joe. And here's kind of a shot of the complex now in focus. That'll help. Let me see here. I might be able to get a little better shot. Let's see if this works here. Yeah, so there's a little better shot of the view. And I'll go to kind of a wider angle as we go into the unit. So I'm actually entering it through the deck here, which isn't an entry, obviously. But this is your living space here. It's got a nice big living room with a fireplace. It's gas. And it's open. So you've got, this could be a dining room over here if you wanted it to be. Otherwise, you could put a dining room table there and have this area over here maybe more as a family room. You've got a kitchen that's open to the living space. Obviously, this unit's in pretty original condition, so you might want to come in here and do some updates. It's got a little bonus sink over here, a little wet bar sink hiding down there, so water credits are always good. And go down the hallway here, kind of give you a different shot from the kitchen looking out. You do have a dishwasher and all of that. So pretty nice open space, as you can see. As we go down the hall here, you've got a hall bath. This is your front door right here. You got a closet, another closet here. What a lot of people do, since you've got hot and cold water in here, a lot of people will then put their washer and dryer inside. Otherwise, it's right outside the front door here. There's a kind of a community washer and dryer. Here is the hall bath. And then walking down the hall, here's the first bedroom. It's kind of the guest bedroom here. Again, nice little view out into kind of the courtyard area between two of the complexes. Nice big closet, as you can see. Good size. And this is the master suite here. So the master, again, pretty good size. It's got a deck. You can go out. So you get ocean views from the deck as well. Obviously that tree could be trimmed a little bit, and that would help get you more of a view. Then as we go into the bathroom, you've got your vanity. You've got a walk-in sort of closet area here. This obviously could be all torn out and redone and get more effective use of the space. And then you've got your shower and your toilet here in the master. So let me know if you have any questions. You can reach me on my cell phone. That number is 831-917-8190. Otherwise, there will be links down below. Here's the laundry facility that's really located just outside the front door. So you can see here's kind of the courtyard for the area. It's beautiful, great sun. And this is the unit itself right there, so it's super close. Here's the parking space for 15 Ocean Pines. I actually put my car in there so you can see there's plenty of space. And that is the complex right there. So you literally would just walk up the stairs here. There's another little flight of stairs. And then it's the second unit on the right. And plenty of parking. So this is guest parking over here. And you can see some people have actually enclosed their units, so I guess that's something that you can work with the HOA to do as well. Okay, so that concludes my tour of 15 Ocean Pines here in Pebble Beach. Let us know if you have any questions.